My name is Sarah Price, I'm from Ebervale, which is just up there. I found out about Steelhouse in about 2010. There's going to be a festival, sort of whispers. Steelhouse then did club nights as well in various different sites in Ebervale, so you would have like local bands and bigger bands as well. So I went to a few and then they were a bit short on the door sort of thing, so I was like, oh, you know, can I help you? And then, yeah, it came up here. The first time it was up here, I wasn't supposed to be working, but I sort of wedged myself in the box office and they were like, say, you don't have to be in here, in a kind of a, please go away way. But yeah, I stayed, and then the next year stayed, and then yeah, we just got bigger and bigger, and this is my 8th year, yeah. For most of us, it's the highlight of your year, especially because now we all know each other. We all see each other at different gigs and stuff, then it becomes like, yeah, your focal point. And I really would not miss it. I really wouldn't. It's not a thing. I think it's become part of like a rota, you know, for certain people. It's like they go to Download, they go to Rambling Man, they come here. So it doesn't really matter. It's the same with Download. You wouldn't go, oh, I'm going to go to Download if it doesn't rain. You just get your tickets and you go anyway, and this has become like that, I think. For Steelhouse to be in Ebervale, I think it is such a good thing. I just hope it keeps growing, because we always had to go elsewhere if we wanted to go and see a band. That is the thing people say more than anything is, oh my God, it's lovely, it's beautiful, it's really, really lovely. And there's all cows and things on the way. I thought there's sheep. You're like, yeah, it's a real farm, it's beautiful.